Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are weekly and what's coming up and so forth as well. I'm almost done with D&D 1 bin part 3. Bin 1 part 3 for it. But if you guys haven't, subscribe, like, and share and support the channel. Check our Patreon Discord as well. Um, if you want to support me any other way, Discord is great. I like to talk, like to socialize. So we have D&D mixed with Warhammer. Found out that D&D does not get as much view as Warhammer does, but after this, I gotta do the July schedule. So we're gonna revert to from June to be done after this scheduling for painting. Then we'll have July. Then July is gonna be the Death Guards that I'm gonna be working on. Until next month, we get the new box at Leviathan. Then I'll be doing that as fast as possible. Mostly being shorts that will be available quickly, but the actual painting videos won't be out to probably till like August. Seeing how fast I am painting all of these so far, but I did pick out a Dante. It's a birthday from for me from Ashley. My birthday is coming up. It'll be next week. I have the Amazon link down below. If you guys want to get me minis, paintbrushes, paint stuff for the channel, that will actually help me out a lot in the long run. Paint is expensive, and these GW minis are expensive as well. I got the resin, so I got stuff 3D printed, but I cannot 3D print every single model of the GW because GW keep taking down all of the files, majority are from Cult for that as well. And everyone has been very supportive. I've found a lot of Imperial fanatics because they see my Nurgles. And I mean, I have some Imperial pieces, but I'm going to make all the faction of the Imperial pieces, at least 2,000 points each. That is my main goal, but I am going to 3D print a Warlord Titan because I have no freaking money to buy a $2,500 Warlord Titan and build it. So until this channel gets a lot bigger and makes revenue, then I can buy it for the channel and build it or get it through Patreon. But that's like down the road. I think Forge will be gone by then. I think everything will be plastic spruce for the Warlord Titan. For it'll be a lot less heavy but more durable in my opinion for it. We have these bins that people are seeing, right? I'm going to show you one of them. This is bin one. This is mixture of old and 3D printed and pewter pieces of D&D. But I did find some very old, um, let's see here, old Warhammer stuff as well. I think I have the Eldar here too. I have an Eldar here somewhere that I just found. Here, I think this is yeah, a very old Eldar in here that I did not know I had. So I had some very old Warhammer pewter pieces that I am going to paint as well. Even though I don't have an army of Eldars yet, but I am trying to work with every single faction as possible. I am getting the Speed Paint 2.0 by the end of this month. I am, when it releases in 27, I'm gonna get the complete edition of it. It's like $380. Birthday to myself for it, but I do need brushes, I do need minis, and I do need a lot of minis for it. At the rate I'm going, hopefully by the end of the year, I'll probably have no gray minis for that. I mean, I'm pretty much painting a lot of my stuff very quickly, and I'm getting better every single time I paint it. The more I paint, the more I'm able to actually get it down, get the techniques right. Because everyone's technique is different. You could try copying other people's techniques, but pretty much want to perfect your style of technique of how you paint because you might be right-handed, left-handed. You might have your paintbrushes holding a different angle, my hand shakes a lot. So I actually put it towards my gut or on the table while I paint to sturdy my hands up. So it is one of those tricky things that you gotta have to get and know when you paint as well. So death guards are coming up soon. Might start with the Poxwalker or the Dreadnoughts for it. I know you can mix the Nurgle Demon Army with the Black Guards, but I think the Aura thing does not really overlap with each other. So I gotta research that as well. After I'm done with this, I'm gonna work on the Corn army from the War of Souls because I do want to get Angron. I don't know if I'm gonna 3D print Angron or buy Angron for that. If anyone has 3D old Warhammer stuff they want to get rid of, want to donate or want me to buy, please let me know down below as well. I need Tau, Eldars, Dark Eldars. I need more different factions of Space Marines. Um, I need more demon armies as well. So I do want to get paint some Age of Sigmars because I do have Night Haunts. I don't have that many Night Haunts. I can 3D print more Night Haunts, but I do want to get all the faction because the reason why I'm doing this is when I have friends over that can afford to buy it. They don't have the time to paint it. So at least I have an army downstairs, that they can use and we can both play for a night or two. So that's why I'm building all the faction. Plus, I want to get into every single lore. And YouTube has been very good with people with a lot of lore videos for it. Very intriguing, getting the backstory for it. Get that story going. There is narrative a version of Warhammer I want to do. I want to GM it for it. But I do want to do battle report too. But again, money is the big key factor right now. Right now is get as much subscribers, get more viewership. People can donate. Great. I really do appreciate that. Do not be pressured in that I am telling you to donate. No, if you can give, thank you. If not, that's totally fine. I understand that people are struggling right now, and I'm even struggling right now, and I'm on my VA benefits. So it is one of those things that you gotta juggle in life, and if I'm getting to a point that I am probably looking up getting some certification through the state, and if anything happens through the VA and stuff like that, I might end up having to work. And the work I gotta get is like in the office type of work. I can't do any heavy labors anymore. Meaning I can't work on aircraft as I if I can due to my back and my left leg. So unless it's a supervisor job, I could do. But other than that, there I did get some D&D books. I am looking through the Pathfinder 2E and the 2E. They're going to remaster it due to the fact of the OGL debacle, and also Kobold Press. I think it's called Valiant Flag or something. I do want to play test it. My problem is finding the people to play test it. If you guys want to play test some of these through Roll20, please let me know down in the comments, and hopefully get a game together and test it out and play it out and see how it is as well. Well, anyhow, guys, thank you guys for watching and supporting. Please subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check our Patreon Discord, sorry. And the link down below is the Amazon bday list if you want to get me something. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Bye.